Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, the Declutter series just keeps on going. So today we are tackling my skincare buckets, hoarding, whatever you want to call it. But I need to get rid of some of these. A lot of them are samples because I used to do a lot of Ulta ordering, but that has stopped. So luckily, since that has stopped, I haven't accumulated anymore. But I need to go through it. So this is what I kind of had at first as an organization process. Like basically all my skincare samples, and anytime I ran out of something, I went in here. But then that box happened because I stopped going through my packages, and I just let it kind of accumulate. As well, I have random skincare in that bag, and then all of this is backups, and as well skincare products that I had under my kitchen sink. So just a little disclaimer, if I sound like I'm out of breath, that is because I am. Since I hit 7 months in my pregnancy, the shortness of breath has become very more apparent. I can't even walk to my kitchen without me losing my breath. I can't even make a sentence without me losing my breath now. So hopefully my shortness of breath does not bother y'all. So if you guys want to see this declutter portion, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is actually separate everything like on top of my head that I know for sure I'm going to keep. Like for example, this ordinary toner that I am going to use once I run out of the one that I currently use. Alright, so the first thing that I know for sure that I want to do is tackle these 3 areas right here. I am going to separate the samples by brand and then see what I want to keep from that brand. As far as this bucket goes, since these are my backups, I'm not going to get rid of much just because some of these products are my holy grail items, like the Neutrogena water gel. I was using this ordinary toner, but I ended up finding this other Neutrogena toner that I already had open, and I wanted to finish that first. So I am going to keep that, as well as this e.l.f. hydrating water essence, but we'll get into this in a minute. Let's first separate all of this stuff out.
What happened over here? You couldn't talk or what?
Huh? You can't hear me?
Oh, damn, I'm looking for a damn respirator.
I know I can't talk.
And then I said, damn.
So unfortunately, I forgot to cut my mic back on, but if you see my hand going up into the Ulta box, it means I got rid of the item. Now right here, I'm going through that gray basket, going through the full-size products. I did get rid of this Sunday Riley cream, and I decided to keep that Glow water cream. This L'Oreal product, I've had it for quite a while, and it was just, I knew I wasn't going to get around to using it. Now for these L'Oreal masks, these are backups, but I really do love the way that they clean out my pores and as well help out with breakouts, but one of them had to go. I have heard good things about Derma E, so I decided to keep it. I did get rid of that. I'm not sure what it was. I think it was a face cream. Like I said, I just have too many, and plus I have backups of my favorites. For this Bare Minerals product, I did decide to keep it for now, but I'm still on the fence if I'm going to declutter it later on or not. Now starting off with the small samples, these are 2 Shiseido products. One of them was a face cream and the other one was an eye cream, I believe. Do apologize I wasn't able to focus on it, but I just got rid of it. And this Paragon product did not call to me, so I decluttered it, as well as this Lancome item. What I was mainly keeping was samples of oily friendly skin products like water creams, mattifying products, and then as well I did come up where I was having some duplicates, so I did keep one of the products if it called to me, and the other duplicate item I did declutter it. This is the number 7 Firming Booster Serum. I do like serums, but I'm just going to declutter it. This is, so we have here the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask and as well the Patchology Daily Gel Moisturizers. Right up my alley, so I'm going to keep them. So far my bucket where I have all my masks inside is not full, so I am going to keep this Elemis face mask. Now this is from the brand Acure. It's a brightening facial scrub. It seems interesting, so I'm going to keep it. I received this in one of my Ipsy bags, I believe, and this is the Aromatica serum. I'm going to declutter it. As far as face wipes, I only have 3 packets right now, so I am going to keep these 2 since I am low on them. And then going on these waterproof or like these kind of oily base eye makeup removers, I don't necessarily like them to remove eye makeup, but I do enjoy using these to clean my brushes that have like any type of foundation or cream product in them. These actually work really well on removing that residue, so I am going to keep these. I actually haven't heard of these brands, so I am going to keep these products just to try them out. Here we have another mask. I am going to keep this one. These products seem interesting, so I am going to try them out. This is the Awake Hydration Moisturizer. I'm going to declutter this. So going to these masks, this one says it's for all skin types, and then this one says it's for dry skin types, so I'm actually going to declutter this one and keep this one. I am going to keep this lip restoration from the brand Acure since I don't have any more chapsticks or backup chapsticks. This is the Biosense, I think it's a moisturizer, skin moisture. So I am going to keep it just to try it out since I haven't tried anything from this brand. These seem interesting to try out, so I am going to keep it. So here we have this interesting product. It says it's a cleansing bar, but you can leave it on as a mask, so I am going to try this out. Since I'm running low on my eye creams, I am going to keep this one. I'm also going to keep, I'm going to declutter this Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, and I'm going to keep this eye cream as well. Here we have this Kate Somerville exfoliator. I'm going to keep it to try it out. I have been enjoying using some cleansing, melting bar thing, type of thing that these are. So I am going to keep this. And then I am going to keep these 2 products because they seem interesting. So this is a cream product. I really don't like cream items, so I am going to declutter this. I really do enjoy Good Molecules products, so I do want to keep this so that way I can try it out. And I'm actually going to put this with my full-size product so that way I can try it out sooner. This is an exfoliating facial peel. I'm going to keep it to try it out. So this is from the brand Brighton, I think, or Red Earth. And it's a facial oil. I'm going to declutter this. I do enjoy the Ordinary products, so I am going to keep this. This is actually a body wash, so I'm going to put this with my body wash products. And these are lotions, so I'm actually going to put these with my lotions and body wash products. This is actually another cream product, so I'm going to put that with my lotions. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Eye Gel Cream, so I'm actually going to keep this. So I think that's it for the Lonely products. So I am going to now go through the ones that I have multiples of. Well, actually, take that back. Here's another one. This is a serum from Vibrance. I can't say that. This one actually does catch my attention a little bit more, so I'm going to keep this one. I've been meaning to try out the Fresh products, so I am going to keep these 2. As far as these, I am going to declutter this one because it's a face serum in order to tan your face, but really don't want to, not into those type of products. But I am going to keep these because these are SPFs and you can never have too many of these. I am going to declutter these two Dr. Jart face products. They just don't interest me. I really do enjoy using La Roche-Posay, no clue if I'm saying that correct, SPFs because they actually are pretty good. Well, actually, take that back. This is for Soothing Relief Cream for Eczema issues, which I haven't had in a while, so I'm actually going to declutter this, but I am going to keep this SPF. I am going to keep these Philosophy products. This is a water cream. This is an SPF, and then this one as well is a moisturizer, so I'm going to keep them. I'm actually going to keep these these three products to try them out together. I did end up trying this out, and I just didn't end up finishing it, so I'm actually going to put that on my counter so that way I can try it, finish it up. As far as for Clinique products, let's see. So for this Clinique balm, I am going to keep it for travel. I do have the full size, but I figured once I finish this up, I can just I can just refill it using the full size. And then these do seem interesting. These are for oily skin. It's a moisturizing gel. This is as well a hydrating jelly. And 2 eye products. So I am going to hold on to these. And then I am going to declutter this Moisture Surge moisturizer and the overnight mask. As far as these Peter Thomas Roth products, I am going to declutter them just because, I have tried this one out and I did enjoy it, but I am keeping a lot of water creams right now, and I'm in nowhere near purchasing a full-size product, so I'm just going to declutter these. These are all Sunday Riley products, to be honest. I'm just not interested to try them out yet, so I'm going to declutter this. Here we have some more SPFs. Like I said, I go through SPFs quite a lot, so I am going to keep these. I actually have been wanting to try out the brand CeraVe? I'm not sure how to say that. I've heard really good things, and as well they are in the drugstore, so I am going to keep them. Now as far as these Murad products, let me go through it. So I am going to declutter these 2 products. I already have my go-to cleanser and I've kept a couple already. And as well this infusion oil. I just feel like it's going to be an oily mess for my skin. And I'm going to keep these. I have heard there I go dropping stuff. I have heard really good things about Dermalogica. And to be honest, I'm just a little bit overwhelmed with how much skincare I have right now. So I am going to declutter this. As far as these Ole Henriksen products, I am going to keep them. I had a good luck with the toner and as well this mask that I already used up. And so these seem interesting to try. So I do have a duplicate of this hydrating cream, so I am going to declutter this. But I haven't heard of this brand, so I am going to keep them to try it out. I do really use these facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty quite a lot, and so I am going to keep that. And as well, I am going to keep this coconut water cream, but I am going to declutter these. Alright, I need to start being a little bit more cutthroat because this box is filling up. Alright, so these are the same products, so I am going to declutter these 2. Let's see. These seem interesting to try, so I am going to keep these. Now let's see, Origins, there's 2 of these, so I am going to declutter 1. Actually, to be honest, I have tried Origins before and I do like them. Okay, so I take that back. I'm only going to keep this eye cream that has SPF in it and declutter these whole bundle. I am going to keep these 2 since I know I am going to end up liking them, so I'm going to keep them. As far as these Kiehl products go, I have heard really good things about them as well, but I'm just not intrigued to try them out. Same things for this. I've tried them out and it was just like a lab product. I have quite a lot already I'm keeping, so I'm going to declutter this. These products seem interesting, so I am going to keep them. I'm already keeping too much, so I'm going to declutter these. I am going to keep these 2 to try out and declutter a duplicate. I am going to keep these toners and these 2 products from Mara Badescu, I believe. But I am going to declutter the serum. I do have a full-size serum already in my restroom that I need to finish up. Alright, so now to organizing this and see if I can actually declutter anything else. And declutter this Hey Honey mask as well. I am going to put these sample packets in my restroom counter because I do have a little bucket there of foil packets that I try out just to see if I want to buy the full size product or not, and as well as where I keep my eye mask as well. So I kind of try to organize like my cleansers right here in the corner, my SPFs, my eye and face creams right here, and then as well as some mist and serums, and just basically kind of organize like that. And this is where all my masks are at, and I'm very happy with what I'm keeping because that is a real downsize from what I had before. And this full box right here is full of all the skincare products I am going to be decluttering. So I'm very happy with the outcome. Now this right here I am going to have to organize under my sink because these are the full-size products that I need to that are kind of on backup whenever I run out of certain samples, or I'm having a flare-up with my skin, because one of the sample products that I tried out did not work out with my skin very well. So this is why I do keep these full-size products just as a backup, just in case something happens when I'm trying out skincare, because that does tend to happen. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below if you as well are like me and love to keep skincare samples to try out, or if you just stick to once you find your holy grails, that's it. You don't need to try anything else. I will leave my Mercari store link down below because I know I have a lot of questions of what do I do with products that are left over that my family member doesn't get to pick out of or anything like that, especially when it comes to new products. Since I did spend money already as it is, I kind of want to get some of it back. So I am going to post some of these products on there, especially since everything's brand new. Alright guys, so don't forget to like this video and as well subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next one.